PM. Magkiwalay kami ni Mamang Manny. So, sa Phuket Airport na kami magkikita. Update ko kayo later guys. Habang mahaba lang ang pila sa check-in. Bye! Just kasi security, I'm on my way now papunta ang boarding gate. And this time napakaaga ko. Like, gaya nung nakaraan. Unlike nung nakaraan. So, mas okay na mas maaga kaysa malate ako sa flight ko. Amazing race naman. Recording! Just landed here sa Phuket and I'm with Mamang.
Ayan na, natuloy din ang pa namin dalawa banding.
Diba?
Dito pa sa Phuket International Area.
Saan ang huli natin? Chiang Mai, no?
Chiang Mai.
No, August.
With Teacher Gladys.
Oo, with Gladys.
But now, we're
nandito kami ngayon sa Phuket
International
Airport.
Kailangan mo saan film to, friends.
Magkahiwalay kami ng flight ni Mamang. Siya AirAsia, ako Viet.
Pero halos magkasunod lang kami.
Parang
Minutes lang ang pagitan
minutes lang.
namin. 10 minutes, like that.
Parang wala pa. Kasi
Wala pa,
nung nakalanda kami, may kayo yung paland eh. Ayan. So, magharap muna kami ng ng shuttle. Bye-bye!
Yeah.
May van na kami. Unbelievable. Parang siyang Davao, itsura ng Phuket Airport. Parang Davao. Ayan. Na, malas na ang van namin. Pasensya nyo na yung mukha ko. Medyo uneven on white and black. So, ito, ang bayad sa van from Phuket Airport going to Patong area, 180. So, naswertehan namin kasi dalawa lang kami pasahero.
Yeah.
May private kami ngayon, private van instead na mag-taxi.
Luckily, talaga.
Ayun. Diba? So, kung hindi kayo mag-van, share van.
Pero yung una namin wait kami ng isang oras.
Mahigit pa. Kasi maghintay pa ng flight. But fortunately, kasi nung lumabas kami, yung provider, may mga I don't know kung ano, bakit special trip kami. Dahil siguro, ang puti ng Tesla ko nga eh. Sa foundation. O, diba? Ayun. Pero kung mag-taxi kayo, like what I did nung Monday, 800 ang pamasahe. So, ang capacity nun ay 3 to 4 packs. If you wanna avail some tour, just contact me and Anna. Anna, what's the name of your agency? What's the name of the
See All Travel.
See All Travel.
Okay.
Working here is about 10 years more.
Okay. So we avail the city tour with elephant.
Yeah, tomorrow
package.
we go to the city tour and then we go to the important place around to Phuket.
Yes.
Also have elephant trekking in the jungle.
Yes. I'm very excited.
Are we going to ride at the elephant?
You can do that.
You can talking with staff there.
Yeah, it's free. No need to pay anymore
No.
because we have paid already.
And you tell them I want to you can ask them for and you don't join them, you ask them for that is better.
Oh, okay. So
Okay, perfect. Again,
I'm excited to ride at the elephant tomorrow.
Okay. I need to have a Facebook account that they can contact you if they'd like to avail the tour here in Phuket. I'll get a put your contact number.
Also I have my Facebook page.
Okay, can you please plug your Facebook page?
Yeah, the Facebook page is Phuket Trip by Sea All Travel.
Okay, Phuket Trip by Sea or Travel. Okay, I'm gonna put the link down below, guys. Alright, thanks, Anna. Bye!